Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use a cPanel email. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started managing your account. So in the account section, you can get started with registering for a new account if you don't already have one. And if you have one, just go ahead and log in. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where you'll be able to go ahead and get started setting up cPanel. So once you have set up cPanel on your personal computer, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your interface and your dashboard where you can access and manage everything from your email to your files, databases, and so on. And basically guys, what we're going to using to access our email and create our email accounts is this section right here called email. So all of the info that you're going to need is going to be in this first section right here called email accounts. Here you're going to go and be able to create your email accounts, manage them, edit anything you need, and so on. And here you have all the multiple options and settings that you can use for managing those accounts. So if you need any help and more detailed information, you can go to the official cPanel website right here. As you can see, there is an article on how to create and connect an email account, so you can follow the steps I have showed you right here, and you can go ahead and use them to access your emails from cPanel. So if you need any help, just follow this article right here. Any steps for creating your account are going to be answered, and you can use it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.